Yeah, chilly start to the morning, Josh. I was out there wiping off my daughter's windshield
Yeah.
because I was worried she was going to have to use the defroster for the first time. But no, I think maybe that's still at least a few days away. If not weeks.
Yeah, and I gotta say the defroster is sometimes tricky to kind of get that sweet spot to clear it out.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so it's something to be mindful of as we expect to hold on to those cooler than average temperatures across our area. Just look at these early morning lows, falling back into the 40s for the I-5 corridor, Corvallis the upper 30s, and below freezing just east of the Cascades. So the autumn season well underway as we managed to pick up on some great fall colors from over the weekend, and still expecting to see a lot of those pops in the color over the next several weeks, as it's the maples, the ash trees, and the locust trees that are really starting to put on a show right now here across the I-5 corridor. Now over the next week or so, we anticipate, if some of your trees haven't started to change just yet, to continue to do just that as we near peak conditions up in elevation because of those cooler temperatures, and also a lot of the shadows with the hillsides helping to kind of speed up that process, as the bright blue sunny skies have once again been found across much of the Portland area and much of the Pacific Northwest, as we currently hover right around 63 degrees, expected to get back up into the low, if not even the mid 70s later this afternoon as the sunshine does continue. But those winds, they will be on the breezier side out the northeast, nearing anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles per hour with some of those gusts, as calm, quiet, and mostly clear skies still remain overhead. Now over the next week and a half, we do anticipate that drier than average conditions are expected to return to much of the western half of the country, and that also comes with a bit of a warming trend. We're talking about daytime highs just a couple of degrees above what is normal, which is the low to mid 70s. With October quickly knocking at our front door, 64 degrees is going to be that average new daytime high, 47 for the overnight low, and this is typically our 6th wettest month of the year, but about a 15-degree temperature drop, 13 to be exact. 71 degrees for the first day of October for that average daytime high, 58 by the time Halloween rolls around. It's a slippery slope that just continues to take us into the month of November as the autumn season gets underway, with our futurecast just showing, I should say, those high thin cirrus clouds taking us through the rest of the day on Tuesday. But more sunshine is in store thanks to a ridge of high pressure that continues to bring the heat for much of our area, trying to push a trough of cooler air back into the Pacific Northwest, but it will be struggling to do that today. 76 degrees. It will be breezy later this afternoon as we fall to about 51 degrees tonight, and we still hold on to those breezy conditions as our 7-day forecast does show a dry stretch of weather starting to take shape. Temperatures, though, in the comfort zone anywhere from the low to the upper 70s expected for the next weekend. Even next weekend is looking to shape up quite nicely for us.
I love everything about that.
I do too. Yes. A great start to the month of October.
It is. I like your suit too, by the way.
Thank you, brand new.
Okay, I figured as much. We'll be right back. Stick around.